How to see your Facebook password if you forgot it. You can go through the password recovery procedure in the application itself, but it will not be fast. I'll show you some faster and easier methods. First method. We need to open the settings of your smartphone. You can do this by tapping on the application icon or by pulling down the top curtain and tapping on the corresponding icon. Next, we look in the settings for the item, passwords and accounts. Open this setting. Choose Google Passwords. The password manager will open. Select Facebook and enter your device password if necessary. Next, we open all the saved passwords for Facebook. To see the password, you must tap on the eye icon. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. You can also get into the password manager in another way. We return to the list of settings. We choose Google. Tap Manage Google Account. Go to the Security section. Scroll down to the Your Saved Passwords section. Tap on it and get into the password manager. Second method. It will only work if you have ever logged into Facebook through the Google Chrome browser. Open a browser. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Open Settings. Open Passwords, and select Facebook. A page with your Facebook login information will open. To see the password, you must tap on the eye icon in the password field and enter your device password, if necessary. Thank you for watching.